We are a team of students working on affordable soft exosuits from the City University of New York. Exoskeletons can help 200 million people with lower limb impairments to improve their health, but current exoskeletons are rigid and expensive. We have developed low-cost soft exosuits that are made of fabric actuators. The robot uses fabric sensors to monitor gaits and controls the robot.
Many of the robots that we have right now are not practical to be used at home. So we are trying to design a robot that can be put on and taken off easily because it will be lightweight, it will be easy to manipulate. It's something that I predict will be very useful at home for many of our patients. This soft exoskeleton also has a soft EMG sensor that can help adjust the resistance to allow a person to vary how much effort is going to be exerted.
When I put this on, it actually helped me. I felt that I had more stability, it helped my balance, and my gait kind of went very natural. I felt very comfortable in the sense of, wow, this is going to be my friend.
I love it. It took about, a minute because it's pretty easy. I'm walking a lot lighter. It's very low profile. I don't hear a noise when I'm walking. Everyday use, this is perfect.
Our group plans to conduct the safety and efficacy studies to investigate the usefulness of this technology. The most promising aspects about this innovation is not only the technology itself, but the translational value, the potential for affordability, and the way that the device will encourage user independence.